This Ninja DG551 Foodi Smart XL 6-in-1 indoor grill is a premium countertop appliance created for home cooks who demand precision, versatility, and restaurant-quality results without leaving the kitchen. Designed by Ninja, this second-generation Foodi Smart XL grill combines high-powered grilling, air frying, roasting, baking, broiling, and dehydrating into one sophisticated system that removes guesswork from cooking while expanding what is possible indoors. From perfectly seared steaks and juicy burgers to crisp air-fried favorites and evenly roasted meals, this appliance is engineered to deliver consistent, repeatable results for serious everyday cooking. What immediately separates the Ninja Foodi Smart XL grill from standard indoor grills is the Smart Cook system paired with the Foodi Smart Thermometer. This technology fundamentally changes how food is cooked by monitoring internal temperature in real time and automatically adjusting cooking to achieve precise doneness levels. With 4 protein settings and 9 customizable doneness options ranging from rare to well done, the grill removes uncertainty entirely, making it nearly impossible to overcook or undercook meat. This level of control is especially valuable for users who want professional-level results without constant monitoring or culinary guesswork. At the core of its grilling performance is Ninja's cyclonic grilling technology, which uses a combination of 500 degrees Fahrenheit hot cyclonic air and a superheated grill grate to replicate the intensity of outdoor grilling indoors. This dual-heat approach creates authentic char-grilled marks, deep caramelization, and bold flavor while maintaining moisture inside the food. Steaks develop a steakhouse-quality crust, chicken remains juicy, and vegetables char evenly instead of steaming. The high heat and air circulation work together to deliver results that feel intentional rather than compromised by indoor limitations. The XL capacity of the Ninja Foodi Smart Grill makes it particularly well-suited for families or anyone who regularly cooks multiple portions at once. The spacious grill grate and included 4-quart crisper basket allow users to prepare full meals in a single cycle, whether grilling proteins while air-frying sides or cooking larger cuts of meat without crowding. This capacity transforms the appliance from a single-purpose tool into a true meal solution, capable of handling weeknight dinners, meal prep sessions, or entertaining guests without multiple appliances running simultaneously. Versatility is a defining strength of this appliance, with 6 fully integrated cooking functions that adapt to a wide range of recipes and cooking styles. The grill function delivers high-heat searing. Air crisp provides up to 75% less fat than traditional deep frying. Roast and bake handle everything from vegetables to casseroles. Broil adds finishing heat for texture and color. And dehydrate opens the door to homemade snacks like dried fruit and jerky. This broad functionality allows users to consolidate multiple kitchen tools into one powerful unit, simplifying both cooking and storage. Smoke control is handled intelligently through a multi-layered system that includes a temperature-controlled grill grate, splatter shield, cool air zone, and recommended cooking practices. Together, these elements significantly reduce smoke output compared to traditional indoor grilling methods, making it possible to cook at high heat without filling the kitchen with lingering odors. This feature is particularly important for apartment dwellers or anyone cooking in enclosed spaces, as it enables year-round grilling without ventilation concerns. One of the most compelling lifestyle benefits of the Ninja Foodi Smart XL grill is its ability to cook directly from frozen. By leveraging high heat and precise temperature monitoring, the grill can transform frozen foods into perfectly cooked meals in under 25 minutes. This capability reduces the need for advanced planning and defrosting, making it easier to prepare high-quality meals even on the busiest days. For households with unpredictable schedules, this convenience adds real, daily value. Cleanup and maintenance are refreshingly straightforward for an appliance of this complexity. The ceramic-coated grill grate, crisper basket, and cooking pot are all removable and dishwasher safe, ensuring that cleanup does not become a deterrent to frequent use. The nonstick surfaces release food easily and resist buildup, while being PTFE and PFOA-free for added peace of mind. This ease of cleaning supports long-term satisfaction and encourages consistent use rather than relegating the appliance to occasional meals. In terms of build quality and power, the Ninja DG551 is designed to perform reliably over time. With 1,760 watts of power and robust internal components, it heats quickly, maintains temperature accurately, and delivers consistent results across cooking modes. The sleek black and silver design feels modern and purposeful, reinforcing its position as a centerpiece appliance rather than a hidden gadget. From a value standpoint, the Ninja Foodi Smart XL grill justifies its premium positioning by combining intelligent cooking technology, true high-heat grilling, and multifunction versatility into a single unit. While it represents a larger investment than basic indoor grills, it effectively replaces multiple appliances and elevates everyday cooking to a more precise, confident, and enjoyable experience. For users who prioritize quality, convenience, and consistent results, this grill delivers on all fronts. Pros: the Ninja Foodi Smart XL grill offers unmatched precision through its smart cook system and integrated thermometer, ensuring perfect doneness with minimal effort. Its 500 degrees Fahrenheit cyclonic grilling technology delivers authentic char-grilled results indoors, while 6 versatile cooking functions expand meal possibilities. XL capacity, reduced smoke output, frozen-to-finished capability, and dishwasher-safe components make it powerful, convenient, and practical for frequent use. Cons: the appliance requires a significant amount of counter space and may feel large for smaller kitchens. Additionally, users who prefer fully manual cooking without automated systems may not take full advantage of the Smart Cook features. Final verdict: the Ninja DG551 Foodi Smart XL6 in one indoor grill is a standout appliance for home cooks who want precision, power, and versatility in one intelligent system. It removes guesswork, delivers bold flavor, and simplifies complex cooking tasks into effortless routines. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and decide if the Ninja Foodi Smart XL grill is the ultimate upgrade for your kitchen. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.